2! Hooray!
I thought we were going to say episode 2. Okay.
Okay, so now Abigail is going to start on Hoot Owl Toot. Remember last time we just could not make it.
So we're going to beat the sun. We're a group. We're a team.
Now who goes next?
I do, same exact order. Purple. Wee, wee, wee. Oh.
Now, Papa.
No, you're younger than me.
No,
No,
we don't
we're
go
not
by
doing-
that, Papa. It's going around the room like we did before.
Yeller. Is that a P?
Mm-hmm.
There's yellow.
Oh, Grandma got a sun.
Now, Abigail.
Blue. First one in this time.
And that's where Abigail kept on
Let's see,
getting
Elliot.
some.
Elliot?
Orange.
Orange. Wee.
God.
Let's see, so...
Ah, who got the sun this time?
Papa got it. Grandma. Oh!
Green.
Abigail. Looks like Abigail. Man, I'm not gonna say anything.
She's taking off at the nest fast.
You never know when you play it. That's what's fun.
Green.
And as a team,
Why can I never find my thing? Oh, there it is.
you need to work together.
No.
Sun.
Do it great.
This.
Papa?
Abigail. Isn't that
What?
Abigail?
No. Didn't Elliot just
No.
play?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's
So it's
Papa's turn.
Papa.
My turn? Okay.
My last.
We go around this way.
Blue. Look at there. I moved once.
So we're... Good thing you didn't get that one.
No, should have been good for her.
Okay. Yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, Grandma finally gets out. Ah.
Sun. Oh no.
Okay, Elliot.
Purple. All the purple pieces. Oh, sun.
Move, Papa.
I'll hand everybody their cards. I'll
Thank
hand
you,
over the
Abigail,
cards.
for moving that for me.
Grandma, you got yellow. Oh no.
Yellow, Grandma.
I said I'll give everybody their cards.
Blue.
We're
Elliot.
halfway. We're also halfway now.
Purple.
Purple, Papa.
All
Right
the
there.
purple.
No.
There's Papa.
No, that's Papa.
No, that's
Oh.
Elliot's move.
Oh, okay.
That's
Here's
my
my
move.
stuff.
Purple. Purple. I go to there.
We all got.
Son, will you
We
quit
just
doing
passed halfway.
that? Another purple. One. Well, that's okay. Yellow.
It's just kind of like a race how you two are always last.
No. Oh, Elliot. Okay.
Yellow. I'll take it. Where am I? There.
Oh, you don't get to. Oh no! Wow, Papa.
Look at that.
Wow, good deal for me. I'll have to
Jeez.
flap my wings.
Give a hoot.
I give a hoot. Ooh,
Oh,
look at
man,
her.
look at that.
Red.
My grandma just.
No.
Grandma.
Oh, Elliot, do? Okay.
Ah,
Oh no! We only got. There's some hint. There's only 5 more suns left.